Hello students. Now chapter 11 trigonometry exercise 11.1 page number 281 question number 6 I am going to solve. Listen in this problem. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, this one they given, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. Okay, angle A is equal to angle X, we have to find out. Whatever they given, we have to write in the solution. Given in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Okay, and angle A and angle X are acute angles. Angle A and angle X are acute angles. Okay, and cos A is equal to cos X also we given. Cos A is equal to cos X means A and X are acute angles already they given. According to this, we have to draw the diagrams first. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A, B, C. A is the acute angle, cos A they given, that's why. And one more right angle triangle. X. X is the angle, X is the acute angle, that's why X, Y, Z. Okay. Here 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. Right angle. Now cos A is equal to cos X also they given. Cos A is equal to, what is the sides ratio of cos A? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is that? Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. H5P shortcut I am written here. Cos A is equal to, what is that ma? Adjacent side. In diagram, if you mention, you can identify easily. Adjacent side, opposite side, hypotenuse. Again here also adjacent side, opposite side, hypotenuse. Okay. Now adjacent side, what is that here? AB. Hypotenuse AC. Cos A is equal to AB by AC and cos X. Second one is cos X is equal to, in this adjacent side, XY by XZ. XY by XZ. XY by XZ. Okay. Now AB by AC is equal to, cos A is equal to cos X they given na. Then now cos A is equal to cos X means AB by AC is equal to XY by XZ. We can write now. Okay. This is okay. Let constant value, any one of the constant value you have to take, that is K I am taking here. Okay. Let AB by AC is equal to XY by XZ is equal to K. Okay. Huh? AB by AC. AB by AC is equal to K. That implies AB is equal to K into AC by CM means cross multiplication. Understand? Next to xy by xz is equal to k. Xy by xz is equal to k. By cross multiplication, this one also xy as it is equal to k into xz. Okay, xz transfer that side. That's why xz. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, what we have to find out? BC, right? BC value we have to find out. BC by yz. BC by yz. BC by yz is equal to AC square, hypotenuse square. Pythagoras theorem, what we said, ma? Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Opposite side square is equal to hypotenuse square minus adjacent side square. Right? According to Pythagoras theorem, this one. According to this, BC by yz is equal to BC by yz is equal to AC square minus AB square, AC square minus AB square by square root of highlight if you do, you can understand easily. AB square by, what is this here? XZ square minus XZ square minus, what we have to write? XY square, that is equal to AC square minus AB. Instead of AB we can write, KAC, but square is there now, that's why here also square will come, by XZ square as it is minus XY. In XY place KXZ we can write. Means square is there now here, that's why K square XZ square. Okay?
So we have just
is equal to
moment, sir.
AC square. In here also AC square is there. Between minus is there. After that K square into AC square is there. Means AC square we can take out as common. AC square quotient nothing is there, means 1. AC square
Instead of so many
common ले लिए तो इधर 1 minus K square by इधर XZ square quotient nothing is there, means 1 we can write XZ square 1 minus K square root of K 1 minus K square, 1 minus K square, numerator as well as in denominator also there. We can cancel that. Numerator, denominator same is there. We can cancel that. Now BC by XZ is equal to AC square by XZ square. Square root get cancelled, square root get cancelled. BC by XZ is equal to AC by YZ XZ. Okay. Therefore, AC by XZ is equal to BC by YZ is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AB by XY. AB by XY. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle X. Hence,
Yes, sir. Yes.
proved. Okay. According to similarity of triangles. Okay.